everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a sliding door. Let's get started. First, we're going to take two glass frames and the windows with them. And next, we're going to take two 2x8s with flaps at the end. And we're gonna take one of the flat pieces with one of the 2x8 flat pieces, and we're gonna take one of the glass window frames, and 4 out of the 8 dots we're gonna use to put on this frame like this. Next, we're going to take the other glass frame, and in the little flap right in front of the glass door, the door frame the glass window will fit, so you can see it slides around. Next, we're going to put, so the glass frame that is attached to the 4 out of 8 dots, with the other flap, the connecting part, 4 out of those 8 will also be connected for the roof area. And so the flap, under part of the flap will be on the sliding area, and it slides. But you can see it will get stuck and it won't be able to slide properly. So to fix that, we're going to take two 1x2 smooth grills, and on the 4 dots, we're gonna put each 1x2 on it. So now our problem is fixed and won't go back. And then we're gonna take a 2x10 piece, and we're going to just attach this on the top over here, just for a little design. And there we go. Our sliding door is ready. Thanks for watching.